Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on this lovely bead. A client of mine needed something like this for our wedding, for introduction. So this is the bangle. So I will be doing the necklace now. So I want to show you how I'm going to do the necklace. Can you see it's very lovely? So she's using yellow and blue. So this is her color. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. I have so many interesting videos I'm going to be uploading as time goes on. So let's go to how I'm going to do the necklace. So for this design today, I will be picking the seed bead. I'll be picking the blue one, the yellow one, 11. I'll be picking 11. 1, 2. Don't forget the seed bead is size 3. And I'm using a fish 9.3. So I'm picking 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Can you see? 5. I'm picking 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm picking 11. This is the 11th. 11. So I'm going to tie. I will tie gently. I'm going to tie gently. Should not be too firm or too loose. I'm tying 3 times. So after tying, I will cut the excess part of the second hand. So this is the design I'm working on today. This is the design. So you now take your fish line, your needle, to pass the first one where you have tied. Can you see? Then you now pick one yellow. You leave this one. You leave the first one. Go to the second one. Pick only one. You come out. Then you pick another yellow. You pick only one. Then you leave one. Then you go to the next one. Only that one you come out. Then you pick another one. You leave the next one. You take the other one. Then you take another yellow. You leave the next one. Take the other one. Then you take another one. You leave the next one. Take the other one. Can you see the shape that is bringing out? Then you take another yellow. You leave this one. The next one is this. So you pick another one. Can you see what the design is giving us? You pick another one. You leave this one. Then you come to this one. You pick another yellow. Pick another yellow. You leave this one. You come to this one. Take another one. You leave this one. You come to this one. Can you see the shape is coming? It's closing now. You pick another one. You leave this one. You pick the next one. This is how we continue to do it till we get to the length of the necklace I want to use. You leave this one. Take this one. You pick another yellow. You leave this one. Take this one. So you pick another yellow again. Leave the next one. Take the other one. So you tie it. You tie. Kindly click the notification button so that you will know next when I'll be dropping video. Already, I promise to be dropping every week, at least a video or 2 videos every week. Make sure you tie. Then after tying, you count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. I want to close it. This is the way I close the mouth. 6. Then you now take, it's either your earring hook or your chain hook. I can use this one for chain. I can use it for earring. But because I'm using a earring hook, I will use it for earring. So let me show you then. After taking it, then you now take it back so that it will be more, it will have strength. Can you see? Back to the 6 bead I picked. Then you now take 2 or 3. So you tie back so that it will be stronger. You pull your needle out gently. Then you now pick another 6. No, you pick 3. Or let me pick 4. I will show you what I'm doing with it. I want to look for the big one. So, I pick 6 already. Then I will now count 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and 6 is where I'm going to come out. I'm going to take 5 and 6. Can you see making 6? If you are using it for earring or for necklace like this, then take it around the hook that you are using. Then you now come out again. The 2 that you pick and the 4, the fourth, the 4 one that you took, the the one that you pick now. So can you see? Then you now come down, pick one. You pick one yellow sea bead, sand bead. You leave this one, then you come to this one. There's one under here, you leave it, come here. So you continue to the length that you desire. This is how you'll be doing it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Can you see? So let me show you how you are going to end it the way I end this one. Let me show you, because I don't want the video to be lengthy. How I end it then, how I do the design. This one is still work in progress. So how did I close the mouth? So let me close this one and put hook on it. So I want to close. You pick one. You pull it. You pull. Okay. This one is not supposed to, know where it's supposed to be. Okay. I want to close the mouth and put hook. The tie family, we are closing it. Make sure you close the mouth. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so, kindly do it. Subscribe now. Thank you. So you take one. I'm closing it. You take one. So we pick another 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have any question, please drop it. Let the 4 go down. Then you take the first 2. Take it through this place. Take it through the hook. You see? Then you now take the first 2. Bring it out. Bring the needle out. You do it gently. Okay, then you now take the one that you just fixed now. Take the 4. And you now use the next needle to pass. That place is tight. So let me quickly show you how I design the body. How do I design the body? Right, like now I'm using this one for the herring. I can continue. You have to continue to the length of the chain that you want. So let me show you how I did the. You see, I pass through this. I come here. Then you take one navy blue, take one yellow, draw it down. Then you now leave the yellow. Come. Can you see? Then you now take 1 or 2 where you are going to put the second design. Can you see what I'm doing? Then you take another blue, pick one yellow, let it go down, Then you now leave the yellow, start from the navy blue, look for the eyes of the bead here. If you can see what I'm doing, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. So this is the way you do the design. This is the way you design it. You can use any color, but this is the color that my client demands. She wants to use for a traditional wedding. And if you have a need, you want me to design for you, I will drop my WhatsApp number so that you can contact me. And if you want any online, any further study, any further lecture on it, or any other design, you can contact me. So this is how you are going to do it. So thank you for staying today. If you have any question, as usual, please drop it. Thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. So you continue. You can make it fuller. You can just do it at the center. Anyhow you want it. It's your choice. It's your choice. It's so lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in my next video. Thank you. Let's see the hearing.